ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Hello friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. We are taking up a new series, Exalted planets in different houses, their effects and the remedies to it. Friends, exalted planets, if in good dignity, that is if they are influenced or associated with benefics, can be a blessing for your chart. Whereas if they are associated with malefics, they can create a havoc or turmoil in your life. In this video, we'll learn all this in a very simple and easy way when we'll move ahead, which even a person who is not very much familiar with Vedic astrology would understand quite easily. Also friends, if you like my video, then at the end of it, please do comment on it, like it, share it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. So friends, let us start our topic, astrology the easy way, exalted planets in different houses. Continuing with moon, we'll do the next in the series, exalted moon in the 10th house of a horoscope. As you can see the Lagna chart or main birth chart here, the first house always remain where ascendant is written. The number written here can change because these are Rashis or sign, but the first house always remain where ascendant is written. Here 5 number stands for Leo, 6 number for Virgo, 7 number stands for Libra, 8 for Scorpio, 9 for Sagittarius, 10 Capricorn, 11 Aquarius, then Pisces, Aries, and 2 number for Taurus and Gemini, Cancer, but the first house always remain where ascendant is written. As you can see in this chart, moon is placed in the 10th house of a horoscope, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in 2 number sign, which is Taurus sign. Moon is exalted in Taurus sign, 2 number sign, and own sign of moon is Cancer sign or 4 number sign. Now the results of exalted moon in the 10th house. When the exalted moon in the 10th house is benefic for a native, then it can bless the native with good results related to mother, related to creativity, related to spiritual growth, profession, finance, reputation, authority, recognition, fame, etc. Native is dutiful towards his responsibility and he may be a hard worker. He may be a respectable towards other and others will also respect him. Native will be getting support by public in his profession. Also, the native has unstable professional life. Native has many sorts of obstacles in professional life, but he may always get success in his venture or attempts. Native may getting victory over his enemies. So other point is always having issues due to his enemies in his profession. Native may be working in profession related to sea, such as in navy, shipping, fish industry, petrochemical. Native may be working in agriculture related profession or cloth or financial sector. Native may be doing profession related to Ayurveda. Native has mental stress due to his profession and he may be suffering from cough or cold related issues. 12th hall belongs to foreign. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, where moon here rules the 12th house. 12th house belongs to foreign things and moon is also karak for traveling and placed in 10th house, so the native has many foreign trips related to his profession. Native may be working in foreign related profession. Native may be doing import or export related businesses. On the other hand, malefic exalted moon in the 10th house of a horoscope in Taurus can trouble the native with problems related to mother, profession, finances and the reputation. Moons rule the 12th house of a horoscope and is placed in the 10th house. If such an exalted moon is influenced by malefic planets or an overall malefic horoscope, the native may witness various types of problem related to or through his mother. For example, the native may not have good equation with his mother and also his parents might get divorced. Now the remedies would be, if moon is favorable, then the native can wear a pearl gemstone. Otherwise, he should chant moon mantra, which would be Om Shra Shri Shno Sah Chandraya Nama. Also, he can wear a 2-mukhi Rudraksha. Also friends, these remedies are general remedies in nature. For specific remedies, I need to see the chart in totality then only I can recommend any specific remedy for it. Oh friends, you like my video, and if you did like it, then please do comment on it, like it, share it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911351351, or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911 351 351, 08130 201 201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।